Good morning. This is Dan with Index Option Trading on January 4th, 2010. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2010. This is the first video of the year. Here we go. Take a look at it. Taking a look at this nice rally that is taking place here. SPX is moving up higher from this trend line, and you can see this is a nice bullish candle here it is making. So the stocks are up. The market SPX is up 18 points. The market is overall up 160 points. Let's take a look at some stock setups here. For example, first one that comes to mind is GS. This stock has been beaten down really, and what it implies here, in due time the prices will go higher. So as you can see, what has happened here is that we have curved here, and now GS is breaking out here above this 50-day moving average 174. The stochastics is still oversold, and the volume is decent, so there could be longs that could be bought here. The stock just can be purchased right here to 174 and having a stop loss order below 170. Something like that 3 or 4 point stop loss order will take place here because GS moves quite a bit here, and it is rallying high very strongly today. Other stocks that we look at it is BUCY, which is BUCY, and as you can see, this was a pattern here, bull flag, and it broke out nicely on it at certain it's up quite a bit today at 62.02. The volume is also decent at 2.9, and the stock is just tearing apart here everything else. On some other notes, let's take a look at AAPL, Apple, and here we go. Apple is also in a bullish mode. It has bounced off its 210 trend line and is now trying to move to 214 and above. And Apple would have earnings here, I believe, shortly. Google, let's take a look at it. Google is also up at 625 and is also very bullish at this point. So some of these stocks are just having a great day, and we're looking at to take some long positions here. And the other notable one is IWM, which is the ETF IWM for index, which works off RUT. And as you can see, it just was coming down here during the holidays. It was moving higher, then it came down here 4 or 5 sessions, and today is breaking up here at 63.87, which translates to 639.6 on the RUT. So this also could be used for longs. Buying here, anything above here could be bought directly. The stock could be bought here, and some long positions can be initiated. Puts can be sold, or we can sell puts here at about 60 and below, because there's a 50-day moving average. I would not, or may have to go January or February here, because you may not get enough premiums, so therefore you may have to go up higher, which makes it more riskier. Then we're looking at GS, and what else is just moving? ISRG, which is Intuitive Surgicals, and that thing is also has climbed up higher and is trying to go up above 308, and it has a nice pattern to it, so the bullishness is there. The 50-day moving average is at 280, and if any puts have to be initiated, they have to be below this area. Let's take a look at Baidu finally and see how Baidu has been doing. Baidu has not fared very well here. You can see it has bounced, hit this trend line, and then it's just moved down here. So that will be an avoid at this time in my book, and I would not see Baidu unless it moves above 420 and up into this channel. Then we can reconsider this. So that is all for today, and I'll be updating these things regularly here. And welcome to 210. Let's make it a great year.